Hello and welcome to this course on mobile marketing. Here's a quick overview of what we'll be covering in this course. First, we'll discuss why mobile marketing is so important to your business, no matter what industry you're in. Next, we'll go over how to make your sites and pages more mobile friendly. After that, we'll take a look at the various methods of sending mobile traffic to your web properties. Finally, we'll cover a couple ways you can make special use of that mobile traffic when it shows up. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Mobile usage now represents 65% of all digital media time. As of 2016, mobile traffic makes up 56% of all internet traffic to leading US websites. In response to this, 68% of businesses now have a mobile marketing strategy, and by 2019, mobile advertising will represent 72% of all US digital ad spend. But it's not just businesses that are catching on. Consumers are starting to expect more too. According to Google, 61% of users probably won't return to a mobile site that they had trouble with, and 40% of them will go to your competitors. 83% of consumers say a seamless experience on all their devices is very important, while 57% insist they won't recommend a business with a poorly designed mobile site. Of course, all that assumes users will even find a non-mobile friendly site, which is becoming less likely now that Google factors mobile friendliness into your search ranking. And that's all just pertaining to websites. Email mobile trends are even more eye-opening. Roughly 80% of consumers read their emails on a mobile device, and a shocking 70% say they delete emails immediately if they don't look good on a mobile device. This means you need to be thinking of mobile in your web design, your SEO, and your email marketing. Otherwise, your business could suffer just like many others who have failed to jump on this mobile trend. Luckily, you won't have that problem because you found this awesome guide on mobile marketing. In the next few modules, we're going to show you how to take this mobile trend by the horns and leverage it to your advantage. And it all starts by making sure your web properties are mobile friendly, which is what we'll discuss in the next video.